How to unsend Instagram message. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application here. It will lead you to your homepage, right? Now here on your homepage on the upper right, you will see your messenger icon there. It's actually beside the heart or the notification icon. Tap on that messenger icon and it will lead you to your chat section. Now what you want to do is to choose the chat that or the conversation that you want to unsend the message. So let's say this one. Say this message, I said hi here. I want to unsend that message. What you want to do is to just long press that message and these options will come out, right? Now, you will see reply, forward, copy, and of course unsend. So since we want to unsend the Instagram message, tap on unsend here and basically you have successfully unsent the message on Instagram. And that is how you unsend Instagram message. Now, if you do not have that option, that is because your Instagram application is outdated. So to do that is you have to update your application and go to App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have there and type Instagram here and make sure that you have updated your Instagram. And basically that is how you unsend Instagram message. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.